When we talk about statistical tolerance intervals, it's important to be able to interpret and understand what they actually mean. So for this, we draw a little population here, and a population is always characterized by two values. The first one is mu, or the average of the population, and the second one is around here, which is the standard deviation sigma. A third value that is necessary is our acceptance criteria, and that's, for instance, around here, which is the lower specification limit. So in our example, we have a confidence of, let's say, 95%, a probability of also 95%, and we have a lower specification limit of, for instance, 1.2 newtons per 15 millimeters, which is taken for seal strength. So when we now calculate based on the average, the K value and the sigma, the lower tolerance interval, that we might get a value somewhere around here. And the entire area to the right of the lower statistical tolerance interval that we created is now exactly 95%. And we can also see that between the lower specification limit and the calculated statistical tolerance intervals, there is, in this instance, a little bit of a buffer. So that means we actually achieved a higher than 95% probability. So what would change if the blue, or the calculated lower statistical tolerance interval, is not right on the right side of the lower specification limit, but to the left? So in this case, we would say it's here, and we see the area increases a bit. And that would also mean we don't have 95 here anymore, but this time we have 99% reliability. And we can also see that our lower specification limit is now within the blue area. And that is why when we interpret statistical tolerance intervals, for instance, only for the lower specification limit or only one side, we have to make sure that the lower specification limit is lower than the calculated statistical tolerance interval. Only then did we pass. If you like the content that we put out on the channel, subscribe to the channel and leave the video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.